Okay, I'm back. Part 2. Let's run. Run for my life. We're trying to train him. Oh my god, he's coming. Oh, my junk! Ah! Good boy. Here. After like 10 minutes, after like 2 minutes of dog park, everybody's bored now. Even the small dogs. Look, they're just getting hurt. And this guy's coming. Oh, hello there. He's really fast. I don't even know why he's running. I'm thirsty. Where are the girls? Oh, they're up there. Yeah, Lulu runs so far. I know. Let's go sit down over here. No, not really. They want to come switch with me. Oh no. I'm gonna sit down. Random trash bag. Oh yay! They're gonna take the small. Yeah. They're gonna throw the small dogs over the top to come with us. This video is probably not gonna last long because you guys are probably losing interest. Let's just see how things go with the little dogs here. And my other dog trying to kill it. Okay. Last time I was here, there's a bee. What is this? Bruh, someone's hat. Someone left their hat here. Idiots. Whatever. Just in case they come back. I'll just leave it there. Okay. Hopefully you can see me. If not, I'm sorry. I'm getting water out of my backpack. Okay, so. Yeah, I have the smallest backpack in the world. I guess I can stick this in the side. They have water. They have water here, but the water fountain here is disgusting. Oh, please. Whatever, I'll hold it. I'm fine. Okay, let's see what's going on. That's what happens. That was horrible. What?
The things on your back. Swanee, he's coming towards you.
Aw.
Drop it. Drop it.
He actually knows how to do
Can I throw one? Can I throw it? Can I throw it? Ready? Ready?
3, 2, 1.